Hello there, Simlosis here. Welcome to my channel. Here we have part 2 of the V3 tutorial. Right, let's get started. Here is part 12. And that just gets screwed on here with these 4 screws, like so. Actually, I have quite a few parts of these, right up to part 36, I think. So this is going to be quite a long video, and quite a few jump cuts. So I do apologise in advance. Screw it down like so. And there we have part 12. Okay, here's part 13 and 14. The left and right bottom plates. They're identical, so and all it is peeling sticky back off the foam and placing them on here. In there, like that. A bit of, okay. As I mentioned, these are both identical. So basically it's all the same thing. Yeah, I won't edit that out. That's 3 of them, and all that happens is they get placed in these holes here, like so, and like so. I'll do the same for the left. And that'll be that part done. So same again, goes in there like that, just turned, and that one, tightened, and that's part 13 or 14. Right, okay, for the next part, I have to place these nice metal brackets on here with the screws provided. Try and line it up, be something. Right, there's one. 2, 3. Tighten them up nice and tight so that ain't gonna move. It's going nowhere. Okay, we'll do the same for this side. Oops. got dropsy today, I think. That. No. It's the same for both left and right. Get tightened up. Like so. Now we are ready to add the frame, which is this massive item here. And that sits on there like so. It's quite big. I'll try and get where you can see. Try and do this reasonably sharpish. Because my camera mount fell off the wall a minute ago, right before I started filming. Luckily my camera wasn't in it at the time. Like so, and it'll be the same for the other side, so I'll leave it there. Alright, here are parts 16 and 17, which are also the same. And it's attaching these, putting some hex nuts, and like so. Now this is going to be awkward on camera. Somehow attaching it under there, if you can see, and not having it fall out while I try and screw it in from the other side. It'll be something. Which I managed to do. I surprised myself there. So basically it'll look like that. And casting some awful shadows with the frame. Putting the X rod in here. Or X-axis I should say, and again fiddling to get it in the hole. It doesn't always work. as you can see, it is rather awkward. I do believe I've just done that. Though it's painstaking because you do have to take that off at one point. And there it goes again. Right, no good. And that's that in. I'll do the same for part 17, but I'll leave it there for now, and I'll be back soon. Here is part 16 and 17, respectively, or 16 or 17, whichever way, and that's that part done. Right, to attach part 18, I have actually got to take these off, or these two, and place it on there, which I should have done before I put them on. Oh well, let's get to it. So, one. Awkward. Very awkward. Two. So, I'll do both. So, carefully place that on like so, and lose the nut. Totally lose it. Place them in there like so. Then back. And get one in, it won't be too bad. So, those giant feet make it awkward. Or base, I should say. That's one. Take that out to replace it soon. Another screw. And it's rather warm. And that has to fall out, of course. Right, that is one in. Now for the other. Seem to have a screw loose somewhere. Well, it won't be the first time. found a loose screw. If only it was that easy, eh? So, get that in there like that. That's one done. Two done, and there we have it. Okay, for part 19 is all that you see. 2 bearings, a C-clip, and this thing here. And that makes up the X-axis timing belt. So, 1 bearing on. 2 bearings on, some pliers, for this tiny C-clip, and clip on, and there we have it. That's it complete. And that actually slots down here, like so. So we should now screw that on. I do apologise that you can't see it. It's very hard for me to see. There's one. And 2, and there we have it. That is part 19. Alright, for part 20 we have this little bracket here, which just slots in there like so, and gets screwed in, which will be coming out soon anyway. And the next part is the print head bracket, which also just gets screwed onto this. Like so. Get all 3 screws in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there we have it. That is part 20.